now the person you all came to see, Michelle LaVaughn Robinson Obama.
A lot of librarians here. You guys looking good. Hi, Carla.
Hi.
How are you?
Oh, I'm telling you, there have been many thrills, but to be the librarian that's sitting here with you is one of the most, I'm getting a little kerplump, but I'm the interviewer.
Reading was, you know, it was a part of the way we put our kids to sleep at night. You know, I felt that music, reading, culture was an important part of their development you know, from very early on. So yeah, bookstores and libraries, of course, were a big part of our life, big part of my life very early on, too. I remember my first experience with going to the library. I was 4, and it was like the first official time I got an ID. You know, you felt like a big-time person getting something with your name on it. And I remember going into the library in our neighborhood was 3 blocks from our house. And my mom, who was a housewife at the time, that's where she would take us. And that was sort of my first major big girl thing I could do, was get my library card and stand like counter high, watching them put me into the official files. I felt really important. I didn't know what to do with my library card because I didn't have a wallet or a purse. But I felt really special just to have it. And we would go to the library. It was a community space. As all of you all know, the library for us, like for all of you, you see, it's a major part of any community. And that was the place for our family to go to get those early books, Dick and Jane books, Babar the Elephant. You know, you go off into the children's corner where the colorful titles were. And then I thought one day I'd graduate to going upstairs where the books were darker and the jackets were maroon or blue, or that was where the serious books were, upstairs.
Did you ever get to go?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
I got up there one day. I graduated. But then the library became work, research papers, the Dewey Decimal System. It became a little sad. See? Oh, only here at the library convention.
What
do we get just a shout out for the Dewey Decimal System?
Only here.
I love you all. I do.